Antonian Scalia Law School, Henry G. Maney Program in Law and Economics Studies. The LEC's S. Henry Maney's program promotes law and economics scholarship by funding faculty research, convening research roundtables, and hosting policy-relevant academic workshop and conference. The program also provides support for activities that benefit the student, faculty, and alumni of George Mason University's Antonian Scalia Law School, as well as scholars and legal and policy professionals more broadly. Established in 2010 to honor the legacy of Henry G. Maney, legendary former dean of the Antonia Scalia Law School, founder of the Law, the Economics Center, one of the founding father of the law and economics movement. The program seeks to improve the quality of legal scholarship by offering educational workshops on important and topical areas of study. Since its founding, the many programs, workshops, and research roundtable have included more than 2,000 participants from 429 academic institutions. In addition to its core constituency of academic, many program events also attract attendance from the policy, government offices, and the non-profit and for-profit research sector. Henry G. program offering include research event, faculty forums, and research roundtables promote law and economic studies by funding faculty research and commissioning scholarly papers. Conference and symposia. Policy relevant academic conference and symposia are offered each year and attract national and state policymakers and regulatory officers. Law and Economics Education Program. The Economics Institute for Law Profession is a program designed to enhance participant understanding of economics and refine their analytical ability in order to introduce greater economics and policy relevant to their legal scholarship and teaching. Many program workshops are held throughout the year to spark interest in law and economics research on a variety of topical issues. For over 30 years, the law school at George Mason University, now named the Antonia Scalia Law School, has required its students to take an in-person course on economics during their first semester. Almost all leading law schools routinely offer economics for lawyers or law and economics, but no other schools make it a graduation requirement. The vast majority
अंकल जी ने बंद किया कर 2 मिनट रोके इसलिए मैं कहूँगा 9 फिर कौन क्या 2 मिनट बाद मारता
The vast majority of law schools outside the top tier do not have an economic course available as a part of their curriculum. The fill that void the Law and Economics Center offers Scalia Law online version of economics for lawyers to other law schools at no cost to those institutions and no additional charge to the student. Launched in January 2018, the Economics for Lawyers online program was immediately successful, demonstrating the demand for the program. At the closing of the 2018 to 2019 academic year, over 491 students outside the hills of Scalia Law and completed the Economics for Lawyers online course, credit and non-credit. For questions